Hi everyone, Zoe here from the Design Order. Today I'm going to take you through and show you some of my favourite features of Canva to see if it could be the perfect choice to house your design documents for your small business. So to start with, it is worth noting that Canva offers both paid and free accounts. We have another video that is dedicated at looking at the differences between each type. Today we're going to be looking solely at the Pro account, which I think is always the best option for a small business. In Australia, it is under $15 a month to run if you pay for a year subscription upfront. Once you see what it can do and the high quality design you can achieve with it to manage in-house, I think it is an easy decision to make. So to get started, have a think of all the marketing materials you need to create to help your business run. You may need to create invoice slips, proposals, presentation slides, social media posts, and basic video content, to name just a few. Well, let me tell you a secret. You can create all of the above and more within Canva at a very basic level with minimum skills required. Okay, let's jump in and take a better look. Look at that. As it says at the top of your home screen, you can design pretty much anything with Canva. So on the left here is your main menu, which will unlock all of your content that you will create along the way. And at the top of the screen are also great quick links to browse through the different template designs, learn about the different plugin apps that are included in your Pro account, and also a great learning center that pretty much shows you everything you need to know about using the platform. Back on the home screen, let's take a better look through the left-hand side menu. The first super important feature to show you is Canva's brand kit section, where you can upload all of your brand assets, fonts and colors to keep all of your designs super consistent across the board. It means when you design individual items, you can effortlessly assign your brand to everything you create and have easy and quick access to all of your logos and branding elements. You can also create subfolders within folders to further separate your items. This can be super helpful if you only want to share certain working files with other Canva users. Next up is the Create a Team option, where you can add other Canva members to have access to all of your design files, perfect for other staff members, so you can both work seamlessly within Canva at the same time. For paid accounts, Canva gives a discount for each extra team member that you add. You can then assign them certain privileges as required to work with your files. Back at our homepage, let's now take a look at how to create materials within Canva and what is on offer with your Pro account. To create a new design, you can simply hit Create a Design from the top and choose the option that suits you. Let's create a basic marketing poster. Now you can either choose from one of Canva's pre-created template options, or like we are doing today, use one of the designs from the Design Order store. When designing, I always recommend planning out your content first and thinking through what you need to say and how much content you need to include. I've chosen this design as it suits the kind of content I have created. First up, I'm going to start by adding in my content by just copying and pasting it into the pre-designed fields. Then it is time to adjust the design to make it more on brand for my business. As you can see, I'm going to adjust the fonts to our brand fonts and apply our color scheme. Next up, I will want to add in our logo. To access your brand elements, you can scroll down here on the left-hand menu to your folders and then just drag and drop one of your logos into place. Next up, I am now going to bring this design to life by adding some imagery, your own, or access some great shots from inside of Canva Pro directly. With Pro accounts, the fun doesn't stop there either. You can also add video and/or sound to your designs if it would benefit them. Because this is an item we're going to print, we'll just stick with a static photo today. Now a few more little tweaks and we are done. See how easy and quick it is to have gone from content like this to making it into something that people are going to actually want to read, like this? Canva will allow you to do this to any content that you need to create for your business. Whether it is social media posts, proposal documents, or presentation slides, the possibilities are endless. And once your design documents are created, Having them stored within your Canva account means that you can go and make small changes as needed or reuse the design templates again and again to create other designs without the need to work one-on-one with a designer. We think the choice is an easy one, and it was why we decided to integrate Canva templates into our design template store, as we think it is the perfect choice for any small business.